There are 6 different strategies that the top TikTok accounts use to make money. This doesn't mean you have to stick to a single one. In fact, the more you do, the better. So no matter if you're just starting out or you already have a TikTok account with a following, this will be helpful. And stick to the end of the video because no matter which one you choose to go with, there's one crucial thing you need to understand to make any of these work. So first, let's go over the 6 best ways creators earn money on TikTok. Number 1 is to join the TikTok Creativity Program. The Creativity Program allows you to monetize your content without brand deals, like you would do on a YouTube channel by becoming a partner, and you get paid by the views you generate based on your CPMs. They announced the program in February of 2023 and they launched it in May, and this replaces the TikTok Creator Fund with a higher earning potential. To join, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 authentic video views within the last 30 days. Strategy number 2 is to sell merch and other products to your fans. Selling your own products on TikTok is great for monetizing nearly any type of content. This is what many creators have been doing for years on platforms such as YouTube or Instagram, and you can do it no matter what kind of content you create. The main worry some people have with this is the upfront investment of having to buy all the merch and products, just to later find out no one wanted to buy it. But nowadays there's a wide variety of print-on-demand companies on the market. Print-on-demand companies basically allow you to create your own custom products, publish them in a store, but only print the products once you make the sale. Then they'll ship it in your behalf directly to the customer, and there's a ton of merchandise you can choose from. You might sell t-shirts, bags, pillowcases, hats, coffee mugs, stickers, notebooks, or any combination of products. Some print-on-demand companies I can recommend that I've personally used in the past are Printful.com and Printify.com. Strategy number 3 is to go live and collect virtual gifts. Live gifting is one of TikTok's most useful features for creators looking to monetize their content through live streaming. Most social networks have a live streaming feature, but what makes TikTok unique is that it allows followers to show their appreciation in real time by sending virtual gifts, which can be redeemed for payment. Strategy number 4 is to partner with TikTok influencers or other brands. One of the most innovative ways TikTok allows its creators to make money is through its creator marketplace. The Creator Marketplace helps connect the right brands to the right influencers, facilitating partnerships in a way that's fast and easy for both parties. TikTok makes it incredibly easy to create valuable sponsored content. Brands looking to run an affiliate marketing campaign can browse the marketplace and quickly shuffle through content made by creators they know are open to collaboration with brands. The Creator Marketplace acts as an influencer agency, letting both sides indicate their willingness to work with one another, relieving some of the awkwardness of approaching influencers that marketers might experience with influencer marketing on their platforms. Strategy number 5 is to collect tips from your audience. For a fast and easy way to accept donations, consider using a tipping platform. Tipping platforms work just like real-life tip jars, and viewers who like your videos can thank you with a small donation. The option is available to fans, but not mandatory, and they can donate any amount they like at any time they want. You can use TikTok's native tipping feature, which is the easiest way to collect tips in-app. With a convenient button on your profile, users can tap to pay you. Or you could use something like buymeacoffee.com. Buy Me a Coffee prides itself on being built for creators, as opposed to businesses. Followers are sent to a page where they can purchase as many coffees for the creator as they would like. Coffees, in this case, are $1 payments that are transferred to the creator via PayPal or online banking. And last strategy number 6 is to use Patreon to offer fan subscriptions. Patreon is a great way to have a regular passive income stream. Subscription-based models of income work great for content creators because you can keep individual subscription costs low and focus on growing your number of subscribers. A low cost of subscription of say $1 a month is an easy sell to a single dedicated fan. If you have a lot of dedicated fans, those dollars start to add up. You can also set up higher membership tiers that allow you to offer exclusive content to your biggest supporters for more money. If you're thinking of doing Patreon, remember to offer good rewards with higher tiers, to thank them directly and personally, to promote your Patreon as much as possible, and to create new content consistently so they feel that they're getting their money's worth. Now, the thing that I said at the beginning of the video that's important to understand across all the different methods to make money on TikTok is to understand your target audience. This is the most crucial thing to know. Otherwise, none of these methods I mentioned will work for you. Now, there's a 7th method that's even better than all of these that I've I've mentioned so far. And it's actually the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience. If you want to learn about this, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop, and you'll learn a realistic way to start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible with this method. So click the link in the description now.